gonna make sure I hit the gym.
When does your diet start, bro?
It's definitely not starting today. One thing's for sure, after this you're gonna have a diet of insulin.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Okay guys, since Wait. What's up guys, we are at Cinnamon Rolls. Point the camera towards that one. Anyways, you can find. You promised me I would do it. Fine.
Okay.
Guys,
Go on.
Since we haven't been getting a lot of views, we have
Remove
decided...
your mask, they can't see you. Remove your mask.
I'm being responsible.
Remove your mask.
What the fuck? Okay. Guys, since we haven't been getting a lot of views, we have decided to... What the f*** is this? Are you serious?
And the only issue Rohit has with this clip is...
You don't waste cake. You never waste cake. On his face of all people. God damn it.
You just ate all of that away, didn't you? Okay guys, we might actually not get our donuts because there aren't that many donuts. We might have to change our plan now.
Does my mask on?
I mean, it's better. It's covering your actual face. Okay, now we have 18 donuts. Count it now.
Sanjay, take your hand out.
Is that donut for you?
Oh shit.
Sanjay actually roasted it.
I think there's something on your face. Something left on your face.
Wait, what?
There's just a lot of ugliness. Well guys, that is their entire stock. This is what's on our table.
Maybe 60 to 70%.
Let's see how quick you can eat one donut. Just take any one donut of your choice.
3, 2, 1, go.
Did you just put the entire donut in your mouth? Bro, put Lana Rhodes' image next to him.
No!
He couldn't even finish it.
5 seconds.
Well, guys, he lost. Never mind. Let's just dig into it.
Isn't this what you smacked in his face?
Yes.
Not do it.
Are you kidding me? You're going to use a fork? Are you kidding?
What the hell?
Entirely.
It's actually really. So
what do you have to say about the cupcake?
Bad about the fact that he smashed it on my face. I feel bad for this, not for you.
Sanjay, pick something of your choice, no?
Definitely do not smash this in anyone's face. I
Warning.
will come there and I'll kill you personally. You will.
Okay.
This is into my mouth.
Wait, he's going to stuff this entirely in his mouth.
Yeah.
You like doing that, don't you?
Now that's human, do it.
What's he mean though?
You're taking the same thing that Sanjay tasted.
It's the first time in my life I'm eating anything sweet. I'm a very fit person, as you can see through this body. What?
You're going to stuff it.
Look at Rohit's plate. Look at Sanjay's plate. Look at my plate, and then this is. This is the third customer that has gone disappointed because of us, because we ordered the entire donut selection.
Can you imagine how it would feel when you walk in and you see everything that you wanted on a single table, these 4 guys around it, and you see this shit happening?
I'm going to press it.
Those are pumpkin seeds? That's badam.
What?
Not badam.
What?
That's not badam.
This is badam, right?
That's not badam there.
Based on ours, this is badam.
If this is badam, what will you give me? Wait, just guys, if that turns out to be badam, stop using wax strips on Vignesh, we use it on Sanjay. Yes, Mr.
That's not badam.
That is not badam.
We're using the wax strips on our now.
What is it?
Yes,
Already roasted almonds.
That's badam there.
What?
That's not badam. That's something else.
badam. We are going to be using backstrips.
No, wait. We'll ask him. We'll ask that guy, the one who made it.
Yeah, we have to ask him.
Whether it's gonna be good.
What?
Just like my life, though.
Empty as.
I expected like a small dent, but it's like hollow through and through.
I don't think we'll be able to eat all of this.
I thought our purpose was to punish Vignesh, not all of us together.
Go ahead.
Nothing.
We got confirmation that is actually badam. Yes. So what's gonna happen now? Sanjay?
Nothing.
The rest of this hair on your head. I'm being finally set free. I don't have to put backstrips on myself.
Right, I'm just thinking about finishing this.
And they are thinking about finishing you. Next video. I know people who would actually eat all of this in one go.
Really?
Any
Matt Stoney.
one person, yeah.
Matt Stoney.
Can eat all of this in one go.
Nathan Figueroa, Eric the Electric, all these food eaters, man. Damn. And here
I will spend most of his teenage life on YouTube. No wonder why he's still single.
You want to talk about being single?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, what do I say? Why are you not single, bro?
Everybody is silent.
Okay, done?
Wait a minute.
Done, we'll pack it.
Yeah, back it.
I had like 4 donuts, 1 cream roll, 3 cupcakes, 3 or 4 cupcakes in.
Alright, okay, now here's the suggestion. Fucking done. Okay, let's just see.
Great stuff. Malfunctioning is like, I ate 4 slices of pizza. Wait, when was that? That was the last video. He still has to. You know, Sanjay is like this. Sanjay is like this. He's like this.
People get high when they do shit like. And Sanjay?
Talking about my experience, sir. Thank you.
What?
Watching. I have diabetes. Man, this guy is the only one with huge balls now. But guess what? In the next video, I'm going to come out with bigger balls. And you're going to see balls like any other.
We'll be hanging out.
By balls I mean football. You're going to be playing football in the next video. Overall, we are done with the day. We are done with the video. We enjoyed it over here. The guys over here are very cool. We asked them to subscribe to our channel. So basically, it costed that few $1,000 to get one more subscriber. Damn, nice. Light, dark, too much hair, no hair at all.